Meaning of GSM.
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 GSM. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communications. It is a standard developed by the European Telecommunication Standards Institute, ETSI, to describe the protocols for second-generation, 2G, digital cellular networks used by mobile phones. The GSM standard uses time division multiple access, TDMA, to allocate channels to multiple users, allowing for efficient spectrum usage and supporting high-quality voice calls and text messaging. Since its introduction in the 1990s, GSM has become the most widely used mobile phone standard in the world, helping to enable the global proliferation of mobile phones and the rise of the mobile internet.